Hey, my people. Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ wife, Mama Oloridami. Mama, don't force Oloridami go back to palace. Say, you must marry. Now you thought say you won't marry that old man. Anything where your eyes see, you must use your head take carry am because now you start and you must finish wetin you start. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of una wey no know Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́. Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ na one of the Yoruba king for Yoruba land. And those of una wey no know Oloridami. Oloridami na one of the Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ wife. So last time Oloridami and Olori Anu run comot for palace because they don't tire for palace to the state palace. Say Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ no dey certify them. Say they be young lady. Now they run comot for palace because why? Olori Badirat don dey make am, she don dey live her life, she dey get money, she dey do a lot of good things now wey be say dem dey hear, and she dey do am without the king. So dem come talk say if Olori Badirat fit make am, dem sef go fit make am. So now dem come kukuma run comot for palace, come go dey do come comot for palace. So the king come see say, this one na shameful something. Say all the young wife just dey run comot for palace, just dey run comot for palace. Who wan come remain? Na the old one na wan come remain. Im own favorite wife wey be say Olori Badirat don comot. Oloridami and Olori Anu still run comot. Who go come remain for that palace? Say now the king called Oloridami mama, threaten and say if your daughter no come back immediately, say Oloridami no come back to that palace that day, say he go use police to go, Ọlọ́pàá to go arrest Dami mama, Oloridami mama. So he just say he go humiliate Oloridami mama, say with him family, all the Dami family, he go humiliate them. Say he go disgrace them. They say what he go do for the family, they no go expect and say they go pass through pain. Say now he train Dami go school. Now Dami don't graduate finish. You come to say he no be man again. Say he na old man for him. Say he no dey fit dey do am well. Say Dami no say no dey fit dey do am well. Say we be saying they pay Dami school fees. We be say the car wey Dami dey use. And Dami to say he don't run leave car. Make Baba carry him car. But Baba say no. If he carry car, if he carry cloth, the education wey he give you, you go fit give am back. He say since you no fit give am the education back, you must be in wife for you must be in wife as long as saying day life. You must continue to be in wife. Oloridami now im mama tell Oloridami say no, Dami no be my house now you go stay. No come put me for trouble. I no go come fit go prison for you because of say now you go meet the old man, say you marry the old man, and now the old man train you go school. Go finish wetin you start. Now the mama pursue and go. Now im mama cry for him body say if you no want, may they arrest am, may they disgrace am for public. You say may anything happen to in life because in life they danger in the talk. So make Oloridami go back to palace. Now Oloridami now they take pursue and go back to palace with tears. So now so she take run go back to palace. So they say she no go fit come out for palace because why everything wey the king don't do for her, she say she don't leave the car. She no go fit leave the education because now she thought say she won't marry the king. Say she love the king. The time we be say they collect money for the king and we be say nobody don't know her. Now we be say people don't they know her. We be say she don't they get the fame. She won't cut out say she no want marry the king again. Say it no go possible. Say you must marry by force. So because now you see old man wey talk say you want marry. You wey be say you get your true hand, you no fit use and work. You talk say okay you need money. Say now so the old man is caring. Now the same match where you take talk away, you take they write all the old love message for Instagram where you they deceive yourself. You talk say they deceive people. Now you call the wrong come out say you know they marry. Say the Baba no they do well. Which kind of Baba no they do well? You go manage her like that. You say you no go fit marry photo shoot na appointment now you dey take. You don't know say na appointment the rest wife they take before. How you go expect Baba of like 82 years old make if he they do? May if he they do where you know say this Baba get like 5, 6 wife for wait get past 5, 6 wife before you come join them. You can't say Baba no dey fit they do again. I saw you walk come out. Now because of Ojukokoro, because of say you're impatient, you no want work, lazy. Now make you go palace. Now you don't go palace. You don't see the photo shoot. You don't tire. You don't get the fame now, you don't tire. Come dey talk say the baba no be you no fit dey proud for public. Say make you point and say na your husband. Say you no wan go back to palace. Now you say you go the palace because of your mama. So Olori Omo now come force Olori Dami say make she come do live video, make she take debunk the news wey they carry around say she comot for palace. She say she no wan go back to palace, say she dey shame. Her friends dey mop and say na old man na she marry. Now wey be say everybody don't know her name, she wan just go continue because she be graduate. She wan open her own study wey Olori Badirat do. Make she dey sell her own things, make she get her own clothing line, you know. Say na wetin she wan dey do again. She no wan dey do all those photo shoot and those things again for palace. Make she dey book appointment. Say she too young for that. So the woman come dey beg and say go back to palace. So make I read down for now, my people, the message for now. The woman say, please and please go back home to your long. And Olori Dami reply say, on my way back home, ma. And the woman say, are you sure? Don't lie to me, oh. And Olori Dami reply say, yes, ma. I can't lie to you now, ma. And the woman say, God bless you. And Olori Dami reply say, you can call me on video and send and see, ma. Bless you more, ma. And the woman say, appreciate. And the woman say, appreciate. My people, you will know say that man na old man, you go force yourself put. I don't know whether na this night they take the tie on her down there. I don't know. Now go see the young man wey be say he fit on her. Wey be say na suppose dey with. Me na plan future together and I go say no. Say na the man wey be say get like 8 women for us. So be say the man no fit even certify one. Talk less of say he go certify like 7 person. Because of say photo shoot, the car when I won't get Oju Kokoro the warrior and I'll go sit down for palace. Later and I'll come say and I don't get the film saying I won't come and say Baba no the feel they wash under. How you go expect me 82 years old man they wash under? That mean you must date the marriage, oh, no come out. You must go back, you must date that palace. If you come out now, me go see come back, come blog you again. You must date that palace, may you no come out because the Baba no force you. When you they collect the Baba money, when you say the Baba they sponsor you, they go school, they chop the money, they wear different clothes, where they call and baby, where they call and caring man. You don't know. So my people, may not let me know what you think for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, may not subscribe so that on no go miss any celebrities just way I they upload. May not bye bye till I come on our way next time. On a bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.